North America car driving fails compilation. Let's go.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I always say in my videos that North Americans don't know how to drive, so let's see if I'm right, if I'm correct this time, right? I hope I am, no? Who knows? Yeah, okay, that's not fail, bro. It's just a branch falling on the road. Lane 3, it's perfectly to hit the car, yes. Okay, we have a truck. Okay, let's see. Zero audio, as always. Mamma mia, perfect. Oh, ho ho ho. Two flies with one stone, or how do they say it? Okay, but you still got hit. What? What the hell, bro?
What the hell, bro?
Oh, he thought it was a merging lane. Damn, probably, I don't know. Maxi G. Yeah, he will hit him. Yep. The red car hit him. For some reason, we don't know.
11.
Failed to yield to protected arrow. Okay. Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. Bam. Ooh, almost. Oh, yeah. No safety distance. No four lights, blimping lights. 4 indicators, or how do you say in English? I don't know. Okay, yeah. Okay, and probably that black one also hit the white one. So, buon appetito. Buon appetito. We are on a gas station. Okay, going backwards, and he's going to hit a car. Does well. Holy shit! It scared the shit out of me. Holy shit! Oh my god. Oh my god. I got scared as hell, man. New Mexico. But I like, I get this vibe, a cool vibe from this kind of road, you know, in America. Like, I don't know. Okay. Failed to yield to traffic, ran from the accident, eventually came back, no injuries. Body damage from the bumper in the rear. Okay. Gonzo. Again, no audio. Crazy, crazy dude. Look at him. 3 spins. 4. Maybe, yeah, the road is probably wet. Doesn't know what to do. Oh, was that a red light? Red light crossing? Maybe. Yeah, it was. I think it was. Yeah, it was a red light crossing. Here we have another intersection. What? What the hell? He hit the guy going backwards. Texas. Okay. This guy already has bumpers everywhere in his car. Look at this, on the left and the right side. And again, he almost got a new one. No shit, he has damaged car. He probably have done that multiple times. Yeah. This was damage. But how? Like, Why is that up there? And he actually collected one of those. Why are you breaking? Oh, that wasn't good. Yeah, no safety distance.
You let me off the asshole!
Jesus. Almost great reactions from our man here. Some 69. What the hell is happening here, man? Look. Bruh. Jesus Christ. Okay. That's kind of big. Trailer he has tiny struck. What's going on here? Yeah, okay, it's a dog. Okay, nothing special, to be honest. Red light crossing, man. Again. Like, most of the cases are from North America. Like, I don't understand. Okay, slippery and wet asphalt. What will probably this motorcyclist or okay, unexpected. Oh, okay. Ask for money between cars. Yeah, dumb person. Bruh, why is there a leaf in the middle of the windshield? Oh, look at the roads, man. Look how thick they are, man. Jesus Christ. Amazing. You don't see this in Europe, no. Americans have everything extra large, man. Okay, if he hit him, the session was able to. Aha, okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, like it, bruh.